Hi guys, good evening. How are you? Today I'm going to show you how to install easily OHIF latest version 3.11 on your local computer Windows 10 or the Windows 11. First of all, you need to open the website NGINX and download the stable version from the NGINX. I have already done, and then copy the downloaded version and extract it to your C drive like this. When you extracted it, double click and open this. I have already done, and if you open and check the localhost, the nginx is working in my localhost. So what's next? The next will be we need to copy the OHIF. Copy this, go to the concern folders. This is the HTML folder and these are two texts. Just delete this one and paste it here. Right click and extract. Here all files belongs to the OHIF latest will be extracted here and the deleted old one. Now let's see how it's working on the website. And boom, you can see guys, OHIF viewer is loading from my local computer now. Just hold and wait. Yep, it's loading on the local host and I have integrated multiple source on it. So if I want to see the angio brain, I click on it. This source is complete ready source, and if you guys see about, this is the most latest version 3.11 running in my local computer, hassle free and easily. Got it? Click on it and you can see, so the source is coming from the internet, so that's why it's a little bit loaded. Okay, we can MPR it. It will be done without any issues. So if we load the normal version, click and angiogram, perfect, and it's loaded. You guys can see this angio brain is ready and absolutely perfect loading from the packs. So you can perform MPR also. See, it's performing and it's clear. MPR is based on how many images you have extracted in the instance, just like this one, the 155 images, 285. The more images are coming, the more clear and more visible MPR and 3D view can be constructed. So now need to check the 3D. Yep. You guys can see the 3D is also working now. So let me go for the another study. The issue is that I want to show you how perfectly the OHIF viewer is working on the local computer also. If you connect it with the PACS, this is the 3D view. 3D is also supported. This is the 3.11 is the most perfectly version, and you guys can see the DICOM PACS also. This is the image type, creation date 2024, 29 date 29 November 2024. Instant SOP class ID, many other things. Institution, departmental name, radiology. This is all data coming from the modality machines. So, like it, we can also check the other things also, like uh, like the dental X-ray. This is the dental X-rays video. Okay, we have to wait until it is launched. Yeah. as how clear it is, so we can perform the coloring rays also in it, or we can check the grayscale, or the most clearing is the perfusion. Yeah, this one. We can clear, unhide, hide, check the visibilities, light up, down, throw your mouse cursors. Okay, and we can annotate from the multiple tools like this ones, and we can annotate it. Okay, so we can redo it also through this pattern. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding the OHIF latest version, just comment me below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.